So in this video, we will go through the sequencing of turning off and turning on an inverter. So if you ever find your inverter and it's in a fault state, the first thing you do is you turn off your AC output from the inverter. And secondly, you turn your changeover to ESCOM to ensure that your site will still have power even when you're doing your reset. Once that is off, you must also turn off your AC input to your inverter. And then you can actually go to the unit, and underneath, you can just press and hold, and you'll see it will initially go into standby mode, and if you keep holding, the screen is turned off. And from there, on your battery, you just turn off the toggle switch and you'll see the lights go off. This is the same for the ES100 and the LS75 and LS50 batteries. Now to turn the batteries on, first we'll go through the LS75 and 50. To turn on, you first switch the toggle switch, and then you press the SW button for a few seconds until you see the LEDs flash. Now you'll see that on the ES100. On the ES100, you just have to do the toggle switch, and then you will see the LED light sequence start. So it's the same sequence on the ES100s and on the LS75s and 50s. Then we can come to our inverter. You'll see we kept our battery fuses closed the whole time. You don't have to touch those. On the inverter, just give a short press on the black button underneath and you'll get your startup process. Okay, and once it's finished booting up and you get your display screen over here, you can just give another short press underneath and you'll see our invert light will turn on and the inverter has started. Then on our DB board, first thing you can connect is the inverter side to make sure it's getting power, and then you can also reconnect your AC input. Once those two are done, you then do your changeover, and now you'll have your inverter output power. Thank you.